Hi, Max. Did you tell Laura about how they attack?
Well, you can.
It was apparently if an eagle comes in, most of the other birds will hide, different breeds, but this one goes after it, goes for its eyes, plucks at its tails, calls in the whole flock.
And they do it in numbers, though, in mass.
Claw, like a full eagle.
Oh my goodness.
Like they're
But 50 to 100 of them.
Yeah,
so
like
they swarm the eagle, right? And they're that crazy. They're that. But they know that there's safety in numbers, and they overwhelm the eagle.
Hey, Cooper. And this one is not Bodie. Gosh, I get lost. Who is it? Is Victoria? Tequila, thank you. Hi, Tequila. Hi, sweetie.
Tequila was 30. And Cooper was 5.
Just a
Okay. Oh, Maxie. Anybody there? So these guys are the gang members of the rainforest. They're always picking on somebody or... Okay. Is the gate locked?
Yes.
Charlie downstairs?
Yes, I locked it.
Max is, yeah. Max is up. Yeah, Max will attack Charlie. This is Bodie. Bodie was given up by a breeder who's out of business. Well, Bodie would never mate. So she was not a good breeder. She couldn't find a male that she liked. Yeah. Very picky, Bodie. Very picky. She has peekaboo, which probably is the beaks had been broken, or a breeder was inexperienced when they were feeding, and their beaks are very malleable and push the beak over with the syringe consistently.
How did you syringe feed them when they're little?
I don't, but breeders have to. That's part of what they have to do when they take them from their parents. They shouldn't be taking them from their parents. There's really no reason for it, but there's a myth that they bond closer to humans. It's a stupid practice that someday I'm sure we'll get rid of. Hey, this is Cindy. Cindy's put me in the hospital twice.
Cindy's the African grey.
No, Cindy's the green lady. Big bird. Okay. And he came with aggression issues. And from a woman was very good. She was a horsewoman, but her husband, he bonded to her, didn't like the husband, so was aggressive to the husband, and the husband was the type that, if you bite me, I'll slap you. Right? So it's force, and that just makes them aggressive. So he was aggressive with strangers. And I was to start with his son and trainer, and he broke a finger, and he almost severed a tendon in my hand. When they bite, they got more force than a pit bull. But he's much better. He doesn't like Griffey, that's Griffey up above. That he's sort of, the two of them are sort of pissing at each other right now. Just get some more food here. So he was, because he was getting, he was given up because she could spend less and less time with them, and she was the only one who could handle them. So he was getting no time, which is probably one of the most common mistakes that happen with people when they don't know how to resolve it. Once it happens, first they let it happen, and then once they let it happen, they don't know how to reverse it. So that a lot of our jobs is making them more social, which is what they are to begin with. Okay? We mess them up. Yeah. So what a lot of our work is just to reverse what, like it's just to get them back to their normal state. And that's why we want them to flock together. This is Elmo, who's the aggressive. That's the aggressive as well. He's the one that kept his wings. The clips in his wings too. Not so much. We want them to fly under controlled circumstances when we're there. But if there's an aggressive bird, we want and he's attacking another bird, we want that other bird who's not aggressive to be flighted so they can get away. It just slows the aggressive bird down. Now Elmo is completely flighted again, and he hasn't touched wood. He hasn't flown at us for some time. Hey, sweetie. Hey, sweetie. Yeah. Elmo. Elmo. This is Coco Gray. His nails are a little long too, but he's very social. You see how he... You're very social, aren't you? Yeah. And that's his bud. That's Griffey up there. They're buds. They're always been together.
African gray?
Yeah, one is the Timney African gray, and the other is the Congo African gray. They're cousins. Good bird? Yeah. Good bird? Hey, Coco! My Coco African gray. You're going to dump that, aren't you? Say again, please?
Did you find food in this room?
Yeah. This is their location. And they're all free, so they're a social unit, they're a flock. And when they get to Smith Falls, they'll all move, and they move the African grays in. And then I'll put these two Amazon, blue and grays will come into the flock. So I'll take an old world, a pair of old world out, because these guys fight, they're always pissing at each other. And I'll introduce all the macaws together. That's how these guys are outside their door. Hey! Yeah, no, don't want to see you. You're busy. You're busy. Hi. So there was a time when Cindy came in that if I was doing this, he would run over and try to in the back. And he's still sometimes if he's in the back who does it. I don't know if he's come a long way. And it's just a slow, daily good word process. It takes a while to get them screwed up, so it takes just as long to get the ones screwed up. I'll close the windows, but it's heated. Yeah. I made it into a 4-season, so it brings the underneath. Yeah.
So, what were you doing with this? Did you have rooms like this?
I'll show you. We're going to go over and see it. Hey. You going to take that off? You going to take that off? I'm going to find that spoon. So with bird, it's hard to do it because there's not that many people who are comfortable socializing with a bird with a big beak like that. So it takes longer for a big bird, only because that there's fewer people who are willing to take the risk of working with them up first.
That's what I was waiting for. You finally gave it to me. Man, did it take a little while for you to give it up. Yeah, it did take a little while. But that was a good shot. Can you show me your wings again? There we go.
You make your own mix of food.
We mix it pellets with a sort of a seed mixture. We try to keep the seeds to a minimum. And then we have... There we go. I'm going to try to wait until it stops raining. I don't think it's going to stop raining. And once we do, we do some water, so we'll add it to the sauce. This is Coco. Hey, Coco beans. Oh, Coco. Coco's a macaw. A macaw. Oh, macaw bird. Macaw bird flies. Coco flies. Pretty Coco. Macaw. He's a bird. Macaw bird. Yes. Pretty Coco. Yes, Coco's a macaw. Macaws can fly. Can you fly? Yeah. Pretty Coco. Pretty. Max is coming down the hallway. No fear. No.
Is that Max?
That's Max. I can hear him.
Max, is that you?
Yeah. Ooh. I'm coming to kick Coco's butt.
I know. I'm just gonna walk down.
Hysterical.
See you later, Coco. Come here. Macabre. You're a macabre.
Is Laura able to hold one of the macaws to see the weight?
Yeah, probably Bodie's probably
Bodhi is the best? Okay. Can we help you with anything, Judy?
No, I'm just going to quickly do this and we're going to leave. I've been trying to wait for the rain to let up, but it's not going to.
And not until, it's supposed to rain until about 1-ish at least.
Yeah, so we'll get going soon.
And you don't need us to make any of those craft things, or?
Well, we'll see what happens after Smith Falls when we get back and what your timing's like.
Oh, okay, because I thought what we, depending on what you wanted, what we might do is do what we need to do here, go to Smith Falls, and then we take off straight from Smith Falls.
Oh, okay.
Does that make sense?
Yep.
Rather than coming back this way.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, that's fine.
Is that okay? Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Could you open the bag at the bottom of the cart?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go. Ignore the camera. Go around what you need to do.
Hello.
You're right outside.
Hello.
Right.
Hello.
It's Max. Hi, Max.
You can just open it. They're very hardy keys. Hello. Hello. Hello.
I don't know if you can scare Max. Can you?
You can. You
Can you?
can. But they're much hardier than your average bird. Go ahead, Laura. Just open them.
I got to get a picture of this. Hang on.
Hey, buddy bear. Bye-bye. 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 Yes, bye-bye. Yes, bye-bye. You say bye-bye. Hey, Maximilian. Buddy old bear of mine. Come on. Yeah. 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 There's the Max. That's the Max. They like rubbing their heads. They like having it rubbed, but they don't necessarily want people to rub it for them. They're very independent that way.
Now, I've seen you rub the macaws and the African greys. So this is just particular to the...
Yeah, to the key. Just
To
their
the key.
personality type.
Okay.
You need to be in control. Okay. That's right.
Great, so that we can add control freak to the...
Yeah, that's right. Okay, you gotta go back. Okay, take you in the cockpit.
Hi, Coconut. Hi, Coconut.
Okay.
Can I close up on Coconut? Judy, can I get close to Coconut?
Yeah. Hi, Coco. Just talk to him.
Hi, Coco. How are you, love? Just want to get a nice look at that face. Hi, sweetie.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
We'll just leave that out. It's just sometimes easier. Hello. We're gonna have to watch something. Hi. And they lost the contract. They asked who was in high school to go in and feed the puppies at your school. And he didn't want to, so he didn't do it. And by the time we found them, there was a furnace that turned cut off. There was no heat, there was no light, there was no water, there was no food. So
I can't believe it. Can we try that again? Sorry.
try what?
The dancing thing? Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Hi. 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 Crackers, crackers, crackers. Yay, crackers, yay, crackers, crackers,
Bob
crackers.
your head too.
Crackers, 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 crackers. Crackers, 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 crackers. Crackers, crackers, crackers. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
You're interested?
Hi.
Hi. He's a little nervous that she's right here because he doesn't know what she's going to do. So he's a little off. Hey. Hello. This is the only way I can keep them both quiet. Hey. And here comes Max.
Can Laura hold Bella, or not so much?
I don't know.
Okay. No, not so much.
Let's see.
Okay.
Don't put your other hand up like this if he's going up to your shoulder. I just don't want him. Yeah. And if he goes, you go as well. Yeah.
You're a natural, Laura.
Hello.
Done.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Is that one of the air filters?
Yeah. Needs to be cleaned. It should be black. So that's the dander that these are old world birds. Max! So the dander from old world, dust from old world birds is actually can be harmful to the lungs of new world birds. Yeah, 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 yeah. Max, put you in the garbage. Hello. Hello. Thank you. Ow, ow. Okay, you
Thank
guys,
you.
time to go back.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay. Crackers. No. Crackers. Stop it. The cockatoos are the #1 bird giving up because of that yelling. They're very demanding. But that's part of their bonding in the wild.
Oh, wait a second. Okay, hang on. Wait. And wait, a little too close. Hang on.
Hey, buddy. We're on the move, bud.
So Max supervises all the training.
Come on, buddy. There we go. Oh. Come on, you. No, don't attack me.
So does Max usually follow you around?
Yeah.
He does?
He likes to, he's a free range because they have no fear to go anywhere and do anything. So that's actually what makes them vulnerable to getting hurt. They just go anywhere and do anything. Most birds have fear. They're hesitant. And everything's going to kill them. To these guys, they're going to kill everything.
What are you doing there, sweet pea?
Hi, April.
Hey,
Come here.
that's pretty cute. Is my shoe of interest?
When do you have to leave Smith Falls by?
I think if we leave, it's about an hour's drive back. I think if we leave by 1:30,